Hey there, my friends! If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed or anxious, I've got just the thing for you. Today, I'm sharing a quick 5-minute yoga routine designed to melt away stress and help you find your inner calm. It's short, sweet, and perfect for any time of day. Let's get started. First, find a comfortable, quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit down on your mat in a cross-legged position. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Begin by gently closing your eyes. Bring your hands to your knees with your palms facing up. This is called Sukhasana or easy pose. As you breathe deeply, imagine all your worries melting away. Next, let's move into a seated side stretch. Inhale and raise your right arm up. And as you exhale, lean over to your left side. Feel that wonderful stretch along your right side. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Now let's transition to cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees in tabletop position. As you inhale, drop your belly and lift your chest and tailbone up for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin for cat pose. Repeat this flow a few times, syncing your breath with your movements. Feeling better already? Great! Now let's move into child's pose. Sit back on your heels, extend your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here and let your body relax completely. Finally, let's end with a brief meditation. Return to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes again, and place your hands on your heart. Take a few moments to focus on your breath. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and give yourself a moment to appreciate how you feel. Remember, you can always come back to this practice whenever you need a quick reset. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more stress relief tips and yoga practices. Take care, and I'll see you next time.